Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a game changer for anyone looking to improve their high-speed internet, TV, or satellite connections. Get ready to learn all about the G-Plug 10FTRG6 coaxial cable connector set. This product is not just any coaxial cable, it's the best one you can get. Stick around to find out why. The G-Plug 10FTRG6 coaxial cable connector set is designed to revolutionize your connectivity experience. It's perfect for high-speed internet, broadband, digital TV aerials, and satellite cable extensions. Let me tell you why this cable is a game changer. First off, let's talk about the key features that make the G-Plug coaxial cable stand out from the rest. Unlike other coax connectors that give you a spotty signal and inconsistent connection, the G-Plug 75 ohm standard Shield RG6 cable provides a solid, reliable connection. This is thanks to its nickel-plated brass compression connectors, known as the best type of F connectors to shield signals from noise. Are you frustrated with the low quality of other coaxial cables that break and stop functioning after just a few weeks? The G-Plug cable is engineered to be one of the most durable on the market. It's built to last, so you can rely on it day in and day out. Plus, it's weather-sealed with a double rubber O-ring, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This package includes everything you need for a fast, stable connection. You get the 75 ohm RG6 standard Shield cable, high-quality brass compression connectors, a waterproof double rubber O-ring for both indoor and outdoor use, lead-free PVC jacket, and an easy rotate nut for connecting to your device. It even comes with an extra extension coupler so you can connect multiple cables and extend your cord length. The G-Plug coaxial cable is compatible with a range of devices, including direct TV boxes, routers, cable boxes, off-air antennas, satellite receivers, TVs, TV boxes, satellite dishes, Xfinity, gigabit internet, modems, and televisions. Whether you're setting up a new Xfinity modem with voice or need gigabit internet speeds without any drop in quality, this cable has you covered. At G-Plug, customer satisfaction is their top priority. They offer a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're not thrilled with your cable within 30 days of purchase, you can return it for a full refund. Plus, there's a 12-month warranty on the cable and connectors for added peace of mind. So, why should you choose the G-Plug 10FTRG6 coaxial cable connectors set over other options on the market? Well, here's the deal. G-Plug is committed to engineering top-of-the-line cables and connectors with superb functionality. They were founded by a group of passionate, innovative electronics experts in the United Kingdom. They offer excellent performance in various categories, including data cable, audio and video accessories, television and telephone cables, brush faceplates, and more. Plus, their customer service team is always ready to assist you. In conclusion, the G-Plug 10FTRG6 coaxial cable connector set is the best coaxial cable you can get for high-speed internet, broadband, digital TV, and satellite connections. Its solid connection, exceptional durability, wide compatibility, and customer satisfaction guarantee make it a top choice. Don't settle for a subpar connection. Upgrade your setup with the G-Plug coaxial cable today. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay connected.